Hi, my name is Marlon. I'm with Lord's Chimney. Just wanted to give you a heads up of why we don't like to put any type of mesh, metal mesh, or anything when it comes to a dryer vent termination. Reason we say we don't like the termination to have any type of mesh around it. Give you a great example here is because usually you start seeing this. This was on top of this, which is a big no-no. You see this big old clog? No reason why. The person had water all inside of their termination. They had no reason why. Now that we took off the top off of this mushroom head, we ended up noticing this now. Okay. We checked this out probably a couple months ago, and whatever handyman came up, we actually put this mesh not too long ago, and this accumulated within that short time span. Once again, why we don't like any type of mesh on these dryer vent terminations, okay?